Hello, welcome back to another video in our Finance Math series. In this example, what we're going to do is you've worked out a budget, you realize that you can spend $250 per month on a car loan. We're going to figure out, well, how large of a loan can you get, which in turn determines the price of the car you can get. So you can spend $250 per month on a car loan. You found a bank that finances your loan for 3.5%, compounded monthly for 5 years. Using this information, how large of a loan can you get? Now, if you haven't watched one of my videos on it, I think it's titled "Different Versions of an Installment Formula." Um, there are different, like I just said, there are different versions of the loan installment formula, and I'm going to be using this one. All right, and if you would prefer a different one, just go and choose one of the other ones. But again, you should get the same answer. So this is the one I'll be using. Oops. Don't actually need that. Okay, there we go. So it's going to be equals M and so on. Now remember what each piece means. This here is the loan amount. This here is your interest rate. I'll just write as rate. T is the length of the loan. I'll just write length. And then M is your monthly payment. Or it's your payment. It's going to be monthly payment because we're going to let N equal 12. So there we go. And what do we know? We know everything but P. So this is what we're trying to find right here. All right, so let's write in the information we have. Again, we don't know P, but we know the interest rate, which is 0.035, and it's compounded monthly, 12 times now, 5 years. All right, so it's going to be a 5-year loan, and the monthly payment we said is $250. Interest rate of 0.035 over 12 raised to the 12 times 5. All right, so now we have everything set up. I just have to solve. So again, this is what I'm looking for right here. So let's figure out what this is. So in your calculator, 1.190942829. All right, and on the left-hand side, plug all that in your calculator and you're going to get $16,366.52. Actually, I'm not gonna round the 2 decimals. All right, but all I want to do now is solve for P. So I'm going to divide both sides by this number. I'm going to get P equals $13,742, and I guess we can round to 50 cents. So you being able to spend $250 per month over 5 years will allow you to get a loan that's $13,742. Now, if you wanted to buy a car that was $15,000, then you'd have to pay about $1,300 up front, because again, you can only get a loan of $13,742. Now, just to verify or to kind of check this, we're going to bring out the loan loan calculator. Okay, so if we put in a loan amount of $13,742.50 for, okay, it's 5 years, so that would be 60 months, and I believe the interest rate was 3.5%, our monthly payment should be about $250, and that's exactly what we get. So there you go. There's a problem on determining the size of a loan you can get based on how much you can afford per month.